Welcome to the Luxury Car Zone. Today, we're diving into a classic American powerhouse that still turns heads and earns respect on the road, the 1996 Dodge Dualie Cummins. This truck is more than just a workhorse, it's a symbol of strength, durability, and unmatched performance. The 1996 Dodge Ram 3500 dual rear wheel, often referred to as the Dualie, with the legendary Cummins diesel engine under the hood, continues to be a favorite among truck enthusiasts, collectors, and those who need serious towing capacity with old-school reliability. The 1996 Dodge Dualie is built to handle the toughest tasks, whether it's hauling heavy trailers, carrying big payloads, or enduring long-distance trips with ease. Its dual rear wheels provide better weight distribution and traction, especially when towing. The wide rear end also gives the truck an aggressive and bold stance. With its classic square body lines and no-nonsense design, it captures the rugged spirit of 90s American trucks. Under the hood, the 1996 Dodge Dualie features the powerful 5.9-liter 12-valve Cummins turbo diesel engine. This inline-six engine is known for its legendary reliability and immense torque. It produces around 215 horsepower and 440 pounds-feet of torque, which was extremely impressive for its time and still stands strong today. The Cummins engine is mated with either a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic transmission, depending on the model. Most truck lovers prefer the manual version for better control and fuel efficiency. One of the main highlights of this truck is the Cummins engine's mechanical simplicity. Unlike modern diesel engines packed with electronics, the 12-valve Cummins in the 1996 model is largely mechanical, making it easier to maintain and modify. Many owners and mechanics appreciate the engine's straightforward design, which allows for long-term durability and easier repairs. In terms of towing capacity, the 1996 Dodge Dualie can handle over 10,000 pounds, depending on the configuration and equipment. This makes it ideal for those who need to tow large trailers, campers, boats, or construction equipment. The dual rear wheels add extra stability and help manage heavy loads better than single-wheel trucks. The heavy-duty suspension system, solid rear axle, and strong chassis are all designed to support demanding work and rugged conditions. Inside the cabin, the 1996 model year Ram 3500 offers a spacious and functional interior. It may not be as luxurious or tech-loaded as modern trucks, but it provides comfort and durability. The seats are firm and supportive, the dashboard is simple to read, and all controls are laid out for easy access. Many models came with options like air conditioning, a cassette player or CD player, and power windows and locks. While it's basic by today's standards, the interior is built to last and focuses on practicality rather than flashiness. Another standout feature of the 1996 Dodge Dualie is its solid construction. The frame and body are made to endure rough use, and many of these trucks are still on the road today after hundreds of thousands of miles. It's not uncommon to see a 1996 Cummins truck running strong with minimal engine work thanks to the engine's rugged build and dependable design. Diesel enthusiasts often say that this generation of Cummins power trucks represents a golden era of diesel pickups. Fuel economy for the 1996 Dualie is decent for a heavy-duty diesel truck. Drivers often report getting around 15 to 20 miles per gallon depending on load and driving conditions. That's quite respectable given the size and power of this vehicle. Of course, fuel efficiency wasn't the top priority for trucks of this kind. It's all about strength, reliability, and long-term performance. Modifications and upgrades are another reason why this truck remains popular. The aftermarket support for the 1996 Dodge Cummins is huge. From performance chips and fuel pumps to bigger turbos and exhaust systems, owners have countless options to boost power, torque, and even fuel efficiency. Some enthusiasts even convert these trucks for off-road use or show trucks due to their iconic style and rugged frame. The 12-valve engine handles upgrades well, making it a dream for tuners and builders. Maintenance for this model is straightforward. The key is regular oil changes, fuel filter replacements, and keeping the cooling system in check. With proper care, the Cummins engine is known to surpass 500,000 miles. Parts are widely available, and there's a strong community of owners and mechanics who specialize in these trucks. Safety features in the 1996 Dodge Dualie were basic compared to today's standards. You get anti-lock brakes and dual airbags in some trims, but you won't find advanced features like lane assist or blind spot monitoring. Still, the size and structure of the truck give it a commanding presence on the road. It's built like a tank and offers a feeling of security due to its solid construction and high driving position. When it comes to resale value, these trucks hold their worth surprisingly well. A well-maintained 1996 Dodge Dualie with a Cummins engine can fetch high prices on the used market. Many buyers are willing to pay a premium for a rust-free, low-mileage example. This speaks to the long-lasting appeal and trusted performance of this model. Overall, the 1996 Dodge Dualie Cummins is a timeless machine that continues to earn praise for its toughness, towing power, and classic diesel charm. Whether you're looking for a dependable work truck or a vintage diesel to restore and customize, this model delivers unmatched value. It may be nearly 3 decades old, but it still performs with confidence and character that newer trucks sometimes lack. It represents an era when trucks were built to last and engines were designed to be strong, simple, and serviceable. If you're a fan of legendary trucks and powerful diesels, the 1996 Dodge Dualie Cummins deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.